Listen up, kitchen wizards. We know you have all the fancy space-consuming appliances, but sometimes you need something sleek, quick, and efficient. Enter the Immersion Blender, the perfect tool for when you don't want to mess with the big guns. It's like a trusty sidekick, ready to blend up a smoothie or whip up a fancy condiment without hogging all the counter space. Lucky for you, we've done the research and rounded up the top 5 best immersion blenders on the market. Say goodbye to bulky machines and hello to a new kitchen superhero. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpick.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. KitchenAid Cordless, our pick for best cordless immersion blender. Listen up, friends. It's time to ditch the constricting corded immersion blenders and upgrade to the cordless hand blender from KitchenAid. This blender can easily whip up potatoes, blend veggies, and emulsify pesto and salad dressings with its powerful motor and variable speeds. And can we talk about the convenience factor? The safety switch on the underside of the handle makes it a cinch to attach and use. Plus, its sturdy matte plastic construction has us swooning. Not only does it look chic, but it feels like a dream in our hand. The weight distribution is on point, offering up a lovely and pleasurable blending experience. Now, before you whip out your wallets, we've got some important deets to share. This model can only charge when the blade is detached, so you can't use it while it's charging. Gotta plan ahead, folks. But here's the good news. A full charge only takes 20 minutes and lasts for up to 2 hours of use. And if you don't have a full 20 minutes to wait, no problem. You can plug it in for just 5 or 10 minutes and still knock out the majority of hand blender tasks. In conclusion, the KitchenAid Cordless Hand Blender is the epitome of convenience, style, and versatility. It's time to upgrade your blending game, my friend. You won't regret it. Number 4. Cuisinart CSB-179, our pick for best value immersion blender. Hey there! Let's talk about the superhero of kitchen appliances, the Cuisinart Immersion Blender. This blender is like having your own personal sous chef. With variable speed control, you can blend your ingredients exactly how you want them. No more relying on preset speeds. Plus, there's a handy-dandy pulse blending option for those moments when you need to finesse your creations a bit more. Now, let's talk about the ergonomic design. It's like holding a wand of magic in your hand with just 2 buttons. It's easy to navigate. But let's take a minute to talk about the lock button. While we appreciate the safety feature, it can be a bit tedious to use. But hey, anything to keep our fingers intact, right? And don't even get us started on the attachments. There's a jar for smoothies, a chopper for salsa, and a whisk for whipping cream and eggs. It's like having your own kitchen army. So if you're ready to be a kitchen wizard, then the Cuisinart Immersion Blender is definitely for you. With its power and versatility, you'll be ready to take on any recipe and conquer it like a pro. Plus, with its reputation as a top brand, you know you're investing in quality. Grab one today and become the superhero of your kitchen. Still searching for the perfect immersion blender? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Vitamix Immersion Blender, our pick for best powerful immersion blender. If you're on a mission to blend like a pro, then you can't go wrong with Vitamix. It's the Aston Martin of immersion blenders, designed to handle every kitchen challenge with effortless ease. This blender can whip through the thickest soups, blend up the silkiest smoothies, and make sauces so smooth they could make a baby's bottom jealous. Unlike other blenders, this bad boy doesn't overheat or give up after a few minutes of heavy-duty blending. Instead, it's like the Hulk of kitchen appliances with the strength and durability to handle any challenge thrown its way. Not only is this blender a beast, but it's also kind to your cookware. The bottom heat-safe shield makes sure that your non-stick pans stay pristine, no matter how intense the blending gets. Plus, the 5-foot-long cord means you can blend from across the kitchen. Perfect for those of us who like to multitask while making dinner. Yes, this blender may be pricey, but as with anything luxurious, you get what you pay for. And the Vitamix Immersion Blender is a long-term investment that'll keep performing like a pro for years to come. It's a blender that'll have you feeling like a kitchen superhero with every blend. Number 2, Braun MQ7035X, our pick for best versatile immersion blender. Hey there, blender lover! Looking for a mixer that is both powerful and versatile? Well, look no further than the Braun Immersion Blender. This baby has all the buttons and settings you need to whip up a storm in the kitchen like a culinary wizard. First, let's talk about the variable speed button. Yes, you heard that right. Variable, as in adjustable. The harder you press it, the more ferocious the blending gets. Don't worry about flying food bits though. The tiny bell guard will catch all those strays before they hit the ceiling. What about those smoothie cravings, huh? Fear not, because the Braun blender has got you covered. With the blades height adjustment feature, you can now blend smaller amounts to create that thick and flavorful smoothie of your dreams. And the best part? It won't be chunky or uneven. Just a creamy goodness. But wait, there's more. The Braun Immersion Blender comes with a food processor, mixing bowl, and whisk attachment that can all be safely washed in the dishwasher. It's like having a whole crew of kitchen assistants at your fingertips. So, what are you waiting for? With the world's first active blade and splash control technology, the Braun Immersion Blender is a must-have gadget for every kitchen wizard. Get ready to blend, chop, and puree your way to culinary excellence. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Breville BSB510XL, our pick for best immersion blender overall. Stop settling for lumpy soups and mediocre smoothies. Feast your eyes on the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, the pureeing powerhouse that takes your blending game to another level. This tool is a beast when it comes to blending soups, even those with fibrous ingredients, and can whip up the frostiest smoothies with ease. Plus, the naturally pressable power button and rubber handle makes it comfortable to blend for longer periods. Goodbye hand cramps. Gone are the days of annoying splutters and messes. This bad boy comes with an extra large 42-ounce blending jar that has a handle, clear measurements, and a rubber grip that'll keep it securely in place while you blend away. And did we mention it also comes with both a whisk and a chopper attachment? Yep, it sure does. We know it's not the cheapest option out there, but trust us, this baby is worth every penny. It's built to last and won't end up in your junk drawer like the other hand blenders. You're investing in a long-term culinary partner here. So are you ready to kick your blending skills up a notch? Say hello to the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. Your soups and smoothies will thank you for it. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best immersion blenders. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which immersion blender you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.